Ever feel like you're constantly running on a financial treadmill, but never quite getting anywhere? Like there's an invisible weight holding you back from the life you truly dream of. You're not alone. For years, I felt it too. That nagging anxiety about money, the feeling of being stuck. But what if I told you there are specific, tangible points in your financial journey where everything shifts? Where those invisible chains start to loosen and true freedom begins to feel within reach. Today, we're going to talk about the three net worth milestones that don't just change your bank account, they change everything about how you live, how you feel, and what's possible for your future. These aren't just numbers, they're emotional turning points, practical game changers, and powerful motivators. And the best part? They're achievable for anyone. Let's dive into these transformative stages, understanding not just the numbers, but the profound impact each one has on your mindset and your life. Our first milestone, the one that lays the bedrock for everything else, is reaching your first $100,000 in net worth. I know, it sounds daunting, 100 grand. For many, this number feels almost mythical, a distant dream. But let's break down why this particular figure is so incredibly powerful and why it's often the hardest, yet most rewarding to achieve. Think of it as escaping financial quicksand. Before this, every dollar feels like a struggle. You're likely paying off consumer debt, student loans, or just trying to build a basic emergency fund. You're in what many call the accumulation phase, where every penny saved and invested feels like a monumental effort. It's the grind, the hustle, the discipline of saying no to instant gratification and yes to your future self. This phase is characterized by intense learning. You're figuring out budgeting, understanding basic investments, perhaps even starting a side hustle to accelerate your savings. It's about building habits, consistently saving a portion of your income, making smart spending choices, and diligently paying down high-interest debt. It's not glamorous, but it's absolutely essential. Every small victory, paying off a credit card, seeing your savings account grow, making your first investment, builds confidence and reinforces these new positive financial behaviors. But here's the magic. Hitting $100,000 isn't just a number, it's proof. Proof that you can do it. Proof that your habits work. It's the moment you realize you're not just earning money, you're keeping it, and it's starting to work for you. The emotional shift is profound, from scarcity to possibility, from feeling overwhelmed to feeling empowered. You've moved from merely surviving financially to actively building wealth. This is where your financial engine truly starts to hum, and you begin to see the tangible results of your hard work. It's a powerful feeling, a sense of control and optimism that you might not have experienced before. And then there's the pinnacle for many, the $1 million net worth milestone. This isn't just a big number, it's a declaration of financial independence. For many, this is the point where the dream of true financial freedom becomes a tangible reality. At this point, your investments are often generating enough passive income to cover a significant portion, if not all, of your living expenses. Your money is officially on autopilot, working tirelessly for you, 24/7, even while you sleep, travel, or spend time with loved ones. The journey to $1 million is often a combination of consistent saving, smart investing, and allowing the magic of compounding to work its full potential. It's a testament to years of discipline, patience, and informed decision-making. You've navigated market fluctuations, resisted temptations, and stayed committed to your long-term vision. This milestone isn't just about the money itself, it's about the culmination of all those wise choices. The emotional impact? Pure abundance. The freedom to choose, to work because you want to, not because you have to give generously to causes you believe in, travel widely and experience the world, or dedicate yourself fully to a passion project or a new venture without the constant pressure of needing a paycheck. The fear of running out of money largely disappears, replaced by a profound sense of security, control, and peace of mind. This isn't about accumulating luxury items, it's about ultimate choice. It's about living a life aligned with your deepest values, unconstrained by financial worries, and having the capacity to make a significant positive impact on the world around you. You've not only secured your own future, but often have the means to help others and leave a lasting legacy. So, there you have it, the 3 net worth milestones that truly change everything. From the empowering first $100,000 to the liberating $500,000, and finally the abundant $1 million. Each one is a testament to your hard work, your smart decisions, and your unwavering commitment to a better future. These aren't just arbitrary numbers. They represent distinct psychological and practical shifts in your financial journey, each unlocking new levels of freedom and possibility. But here's an important truth. These milestones are not the end of the journey. They are powerful markers along a path that continues to evolve. Once you hit these, new goals might emerge. Perhaps it's achieving full financial independence, where your passive income completely covers your desired lifestyle. Perhaps it's focusing more on philanthropic endeavors or building generational wealth. The beauty of reaching these initial milestones is that they empower you to define what comes next on your own terms. Don't let these numbers intimidate you. Let them inspire you. Your journey to financial freedom isn't a sprint, it's a marathon, run one milestone at a time. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But the rewards, the peace of mind, the freedom of choice, the ability to live a life aligned with your values are immeasurable. Which milestone are you aiming for next? What small, actionable step can you take today to get closer? Maybe it's setting up an automatic transfer to your savings, researching a new investment option, or simply creating a budget. The power to change your financial future and your life is entirely in your hands. Start today. Your future self will undoubtedly thank you for the effort you put in now. If this video resonated with you, if it sparked a new idea or reignited your motivation, please consider hitting that like button. Subscribe to our channel for more practical finance tips and insights that can help you on your journey. And most importantly, share this video with someone you care about, someone who needs to hear this message of hope and empowerment. Let's build our financial freedom together, one milestone at a time. Thank you for watching.